So you're getting painting estimates and you have a lot of different versions. You may not have had a paint estimate before and you want to know what to look for. So we're going to go into best practices, what to look at on paint estimates, and we're going to use different variations of our own estimates so you can kind of see just the variety and different levels of paint estimating for your house. All right, so we are here in Barrington, and I'm just going to use our estimate. We know those other estimates given, but we're going to use ours just to keep it easy. So how we did this is we just listed each room, and we just kind of did a bullet point. We listed each room separate for wallpaper removal, cover plates, drapes, filling holes, replacing outlet covers, approximate cost for each outlet cover, and then hours per room estimated from past practice in the washing walls, and paint is included. So what we did was we're trying to always make sure that removing wallpaper is an estimate and guess, really, because we don't know. So every room, we just kind of get a thing. Painting walls, what we have for painting walls with paint, stripping wallpaper, the estimated hours, and doing any of the patching. And then the same thing, we kind of just went room by room by room by room to make sure everything was on there. Every room listed, which has our line items, and we kind of come down here again. Again, we're always improving how we do this. So now you still have it in here that the wallpaper this is our removal rate, and any reference to time is a guess at best. And then we give our total price based on that estimate. So for this project, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 rooms we stripped wallpaper and painted. So we had the whole thing for all the rooms of stripping wallpaper. We had it at 165 hours of just stripping wallpaper. So offices, foyer, living room, bedrooms upstairs, bathrooms upstairs. It was a lot of wallpaper. So we'll give credit to whoever did the house. They did pretty much an amazing job. You can tell those two different installers based off how it was put up, how the seams looked, and then the removal. So as we were working on the project, the master suites came off really great. This foyer area came off really, really well. And then 2 bedrooms came off great. 2 bedrooms were a problem. So the other 2 bedrooms, they were the problem childs. We soaked it, we steamed it, diff, Roman, it didn't matter. It came off, but it came off very, very difficult. And you could see when they primed the wall, they had the zigzag pattern. They didn't finish priming it. So I don't even know why they bothered, but anyway. So a couple of issues, we try and give estimates as specific as possible to list every type of issue that we may face. I can't guarantee everyone. Like these 2 bedrooms, who'd have thought, the foyer, these other areas come off quick and easy, actually right on budget as we had planned. The other 2 bedrooms took 2.5 times as long. I can't control that because we don't know how it was put up. We're guessing, one wall came off, 1 strip came off, and then the rest don't. We had another job in Crystal Lake, kind of the same thing, except that part had multiple layers of wallpaper. And then someone took mud, worked drywall, and they put right over old wallpaper. So that just complicated stuff too. A couple other issues that we had here was when we took the wallpaper off, one of the rooms, actually this room over here, we got the wallpaper off. It must have been a pre-pasted type of a paper, or they sized the wall. Sizing term, we say primer, they say sizing. They must have put wallpaper glue on the wall and then used the wallpaper, which was pre-pasted because it was really sticky, gummy. I don't know. I'm guessing you'd have to use 2 layers of paste, because as we were working on it, I'll put if I could find it, I'll put the link in here, or put, cut to it, where these guys were scraping the glue off the wall. It was so heavy. It was so disgusting. So the wallpaper came off, and then they had to scrape all the glue and then do the repairs and then go back prime before we painted. So those are some issues that we had. But overall, wallpaper removal, just don't accept the fact, it takes 5 hours, and they come back and someone says, it's actually 12, you owe us whatever. We try and put that out there that could be a problem, that could be an issue. I can't guarantee 8 hours is going to remove a room. I just can't. I would love to, but there's just no way to do that. We equate that to brake job rules. So there's a lot about painting and home improvement that kind of equate to your vehicle. You know, you go in for a brake job. My truck just took it in for a brake job. It just needs pads. So they go in there, they take the front wheels off, they take the hubs off. Oh, actually, your part of your calipers are bad, and it's a unit. You can't just replace the little things. You need to replace the whole thing. So even though they said it was only going to be brake pads, turns out I need calipers, and of course, then the whatever things need to be turned and rotated and scraped. So, you know, the $250 brake job that should be quick and easy for an hour now is 5 hours and $1,200. You can't, did they know that when they first looked at it? No, they didn't test it. They didn't take the whole thing apart. When they took it apart, they found everything. It's kind of like this. We can't tell until we get under that wallpaper what's going to happen. So there's our best as of today for, you know, wallpaper estimates, what to look for, you know, why you maybe get tripped up on a couple things. And I'll throw some little things in here so you can kind of see just some of the issues that we had scraping that wallpaper off.
Kasi se quita mo.
Mensazione.